Hey team, hope you're having a great Christmas. Today we are going to give you a demo of this Bunnings protector panel. It's a pre-made gate, it's a 975 wide, and I've gone and got the steel posts, the 50mm steel posts, which they are supplying as of the recording of this video. But this is a welded gate, pre-welded. You can see it's got just a nice thin lightweight design with the 16mm verticals. So Bunnings have two panels. They have a pull panel and a garden panel. The pull panel is made a little bit stronger, but this is the garden panel, and this is the pre-made gate, 975 wide, and we've just put a short safety latch on that. If you can put these in, they are the simplest, easiest latches to put in, way better than D latches. They don't rattle at night when the wind's blowing, and we've just gone and put these self-closing hinges on. So if you're thinking of getting a protector, I thought I'd do this video just so you can see what a protector gate 1200 high looks like. I'm gonna sneeze. Excuse me, I'm not redoing the video. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Side fencing. As you can see, we've swung off the house, and if you can, side fix. You drill a hole on the inside of the back of the post, and you can screw a screw down, and it sort of makes things a lot stronger, this one, because when you attach the gates, the weight of the gate can actually pull the gate down, and you end up with a saggy gate. So there's just a little tip for you. Hope that makes sense. If you want a protector fence system from Bunnings put into your house across New Zealand, hit me up, North Island. Happy to help out. Have a great day.